American AE Auto were involved with lots of different diverse projects, from vehicle charging units from 7 kilowatt AC models up to 600 kilowatt DC models. Also in our portfolio is energy storage solutions, and
they are energy storage solutions.
This is the energy storage. We've currently got a big project underway to supply a 3.7 megawatt storage solution for a customer. Also involved in electric vehicle conversions. An example of that is the Voltmaster, which is the conversion of one of the original Routemasters to full electric from diesel drive. That project should be
so do you convert petrol as well, or just diesel?
Well, at the minute it's converting diesel. This is the pilot. We've not done one of these projects before. This is a pilot project. One of the original Routemasters that were built in the 60s, stripping it totally bare and replacing the diesel drive with full electric drive. That should be complete at the end of quarter one in 2025, and I believe this sightseeing bus has already got pre-bookings for tours when it's complete.
Excellent.
We're also involved in a project that is converting the tipper grab on the tipper truck, the HIAB grab, again currently powered by diesel through hydraulic system, to a full electric tipper grab. That project is underway and currently being built as well. So
the one used by councils,
the
bin collections,
transport companies, motorway maintenance, anything that delivers aggregate and bricks to that industry.
Excellent.
And that project also should be complete. The pilot project should be complete by the end of quarter one next year.
So what are these? You know, this big box there, and these boxes?
These are smaller vehicle chargers. This one's a 42 kilowatt DC charger.
42 kilowatt.
42 kilowatt, which is suitable and quite unique in that it's fully portable. So it can be pushed around any workshop facility and works off a standard 63 amp 3-phase electrical supply. You don't need a permanent infrastructure supply, permanent fixed supply. It's just a standard 63 amp 3-phase. This one also works off a standard 3-phase supply, and again it's totally portable. Usually for an emergency circumstance where you need a charge remotely off-site, it can just be delivered anyway. It's relatively light.
Oh, it's light as well?
Relatively.
Oh, relatively. Yeah.
In addition to that, we also offer full EV product training right up to level 4 and beyond our site in Castleford, and also offer bespoke training at customer premises.
You offer training as well, yeah?
Absolutely.
What is this box, the big box?
This one?
Yeah.
This model is a 120 kilowatt fixed charger. We have several of these stations throughout the UK which charge coaches, electric coaches and electric buses, which we also sell as well. Obviously have a sneak peek inside.
Yeah, we can sneak peek, yeah.
Quite complex.
Yeah.
A similar size cabinet can accommodate 360 kilowatts. This particular model is 120 kilowatts.
That's the computer connected. Yeah.
Yeah,
the green one.
Yeah, that's right. This will charge an electric coach in about 3 hours, 3.5 hours.
These are the slots for the charging,
right,
yeah?
CCS2 connections.
This is for payment.
Yeah, you can have any sort of standard NIAX payment system or similar on there. And this is also worth noting. This is a 2-gun.
Oh, there are 2 guns.
So it's 120 kilowatts divided by 2. So each gun would deliver 60 kilowatts evenly.
60 kilowatt each. Okay.
Yeah, this week, see if we can make happen.
Anyway.